Alright guys, back with another video. Make sure you stay tuned because this is going to be a 180 wave video and give y'all some good tips. Y'all know I give really good tips and I'm good at explaining waves and pretty much everything related to hair. So make sure you stay tuned, watch all the way through because I'm going to be delivering some fire and I'm going to make sure it makes sense to you. So make sure you watch all the way through. You know, Josh Johnson back at it with wave content. Y'all know that's what y'all like. That's what I like to deliver and that's what you're going to get today. So, excuse the vent fan. I know y'all probably can hear the vent fans. Like, you know, I can't control that. It doesn't come off if you have to have the light on and the vent fan. But that's besides the point. I'm gonna get right into the video. Pretty much, this is an update on everything. This is not. I wouldn't say it's a rant, but it's more so just everything that's been going on. Like update my hair. Pretty much what I've been doing, what I don't like, what I do like. Things I've been changing as of late. Things that I have done that have not worked out. So it's pretty much just tips all around, good information for you guys to know if you're just starting out, if you have been having waves, or if you're trying to get to the next step in your wave process. This is the video for you. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You know, I mean, it just makes sense because I'm not asking for money, it's doing for free, everything like that. So I just want to make sure I'm talking to you guys, make sure I'm giving more dialogue, more speech, more everything like that, more value to my channel, to my guys who support me and love me and watch my videos. So let's get into it. So first things first, I would say one of the major things that I have been changing in my routine, and I haven't been doing it, but I mentioned it on some older videos, but now I'm actually doing it, is that I get a cut every Friday. Every Friday I get a cut. I might be late to work, but at the end of the day, is my haircut looking great? Is it looking good? Yes. So they should be happy that I'm there because my haircut looks good. And everybody gets to look at waves for free. So it's just like, it balances out. I might be a little late, but the waves are there. So are you that mad at me? I don't think so. One of the benefits of getting your haircut every week or every Friday is that your hair is crispy. Your hair is nice. It looks good. It makes you feel good. It's just a better feeling all around. I feel like my life probably would have been a lot better if I started this process earlier, like just getting my hair cut every day. Because people do switch up when your hair is cut. I don't know if it's just I don't know what it is, the energy thing or whatever like that, but when you have a nice cut, apparently everybody's like, hey, how are you talking, flirting, everybody's just having a great time when you have a haircut. When you don't have a haircut, everybody's just kind of like, you know, like, that's Josh, whatever. But when my hair is cut, I notice a little bit, and the energy lifts a little bit. When everybody sees waves, it's like, finally, somebody with waves, somebody with good waves, and that's me. So I just noticed that. That's one thing I want to talk about. It's like I really noticed the room brightens up when my hair is cut. When my hair is not cut, the energy's down, but the energy comes up a little bit when I walk in. First cut Friday. I guess I can call it that. That just was kind of smooth, just kind of came out, but I think that's nice. So I get my hair cut every Friday. Is it expensive? Yes, it is expensive, but you can't put a price on making yourself feel good. So that's how I've been looking at it lately. I've been noticing my skin has been a lot better. My skin has been a lot clearer lately. I just noticed after a haircut, my skin is a lot clearer. I don't know what's going on with that, but I have been using different products for my face and everything like that, just to make sure, you know, the haircut is looking right, looking nice. And one good thing I do like about getting my haircut every Friday is that the crispier look. Like it's more so like if you're not liking your haircut during the week, you have something to look forward to, and then when you get the crispy line up with it, it makes you feel great. Like I don't know if it's just a black man thing or whatever like that, but it's just like having a crispy cut is just good. It makes your outfit look even better. So that's something I've been implementing. That's something I've been doing. It's been good for me. It's like haircut every week, fresh cut Fridays. That's basically what I'm calling it. Is my bank account liking that I'm getting a haircut every week pretty much? No, but I feel great, and that's just what's giving me good results, you know what I'm saying, good energy. So that's one thing that I want to tell you guys is that having your haircut does give you better energy. Good, you have better days. And then two, if you're just having somebody Snapchat you, or you know what I'm saying, you have somebody taking Instagram stories or whatever, that your haircut is looking good, you can look back on your memories, and guess what, your hair is cut. So my hair grows fast too, so it's like I feel like Fridays is really good for me. I feel like that's a good idea to do, so that's what I'm introducing and to my routine to tell you guys. Next thing is that for brush sessions and wave grease. So before I'm switching on my product, I'm using the same products, but I'm using more sporty waves at night. Just because I'm getting my hair cut more often, I want my hair to be laid. You know what I'm saying? I want my haircut to be perfect. I want it to be nice. want it to be right, want it to be nice, right, and tight, pretty much everything like that. So everything just looks better when your hair is laying down. You get it cut. I will probably do a routine on getting my hair cut before cut, like getting my hair cut washed and everything, like how I wash it before I get the cut prepared and after. I do want to make a video on that, but just making sure that I'm using good sporting waves to go when going one's goated, get going, go goated. Exactly. Boom. Pick this up, sporting waves. Everything be down in the description. Make sure you check that out down below. But yeah, I get this. It's good. I love it. I've been using it on my channel. It's the only one I do use. But it's just a good feeling to know that my hair is laying down. As you can see, my hair is laying pretty good if I do say so myself, but I've been using just more of that more consistently just to make sure my hair is not standing up, because sometimes my hair does curl up. Like in the front it curls up, so sometimes I have to cut it. I literally have to, I can kind of show you, kind of have to like go like that just to cut it. But that's just personal preference. Like for me, that's something I noticed. But when you're growing your hair out, when you're make sure you're doing a good routine, your hair is going to curl. Waves are pretty much just laying down curls. So that's what I've been doing, and that's what I've been loving. It's been great, man. Definitely recommend you guys do that. If you wear your do-rag and use sporting waves, that's been really a game changer for make sure my hair is perfect at all times for Fresh Cut Fridays. That's what I'm gonna call it. I like that. I like that. So next thing after that, one thing that I have been noticing is that getting tighter on my routines has definitely also been a game changer. Just taking my waves from okay to better, or take it from okay to the best. You know what I'm saying? That just overall helps out with your energy throughout the day. Just knowing that you have, that's one less thing to worry about. When your haircut's done, boom, you're good. Your energy's better, and then your haircut lasts longer throughout the week because you know next week you're getting another. So it's like you don't have to worry too much about it, but it does last. I notice just because the more care you take up, you know, the better your hair is gonna look throughout the weeks, throughout the months, because you're getting more cuts, you're taking more care of it. So that's one thing I've been noticing on that. Next thing is, you know, just tighter with the routine, just brushing more, doing little things little by little every week, just something simple, something light, something not too major, but something that's going to push me in the right direction. I've been noticing is doing really good for me. Like that's just something that I've noticed is good. Like just one step, just implement it in a week, try something else. If it works, drop it, but just one step in the right direction is always good. It's definitely helped me out. I'm definitely going to keep doing that. It's really, really good for me. So I suggest you try that out as well. We got a text. Not right now. We're filming a video. Anyway, back to the focus. I'm always going to text through a video. But anyway, other than that, other than like getting my hair cut every time, like every week, it's a little expensive, but it's worth it. I've also been getting my hair cut, as I told y'all, for my waves. I make sure I get my fade a little higher. Let me make sure I see a little higher. It just works out for me, so my cut lasts a little bit longer. It's a lot fresher. And then I noticed too, if you do have to go to the 2-week mark, which is what I'm not trying to do anymore, but if I'm pushing the 2-week mark, it's a lot better look than if I would have had it lower because it grows faster. So just having that contrast from like your hair to your skin is really, really good. Like having it from like go from dark to lighter to your skin, you know what I'm saying, it's good. That's what I would recommend. So if you want to try like a higher fade, definitely try that out. Your hair is going to grow in a lot slower, but it's going to give you a longer length on your cut, so you get more for your money. And that's what I do for my cuts. That's what I do for my waves. So I suggest you guys try that as well. One other thing too, I do need to pick up a product. I know I showed you guys this product a lot. I think somebody actually asked me in the comments, but this is the Curling Gel Souffle. But I'm going to get the Curl Enhancing Spoolie. Somebody actually brought that up in a video I was watching, like they were live streaming. And I was like, yeah, I do need some more of that. I do like that product. That product is really good for me, so I will be checking that out for sure. Just get another, stocking up on that. It's definitely good. I've been using also olive oil. I've been using oils. Oils have been so beneficial for me. I cannot explain to you how great the oil's been for me. Just using olive oil on a daily basis from morning to night, adding it to my routine is really good. It's also good too for, this is a sidebar for oiling your skin up at night and in the morning. It's really, really good. It's the same for your hair. You want to make sure you have that moisture in your face and in your hair. Is really, really good. I've been noticing some great progress for that, so definitely get that. Try that out. And just sidebar for, like, it's called retinol for your face. Like if you want to do like an oil so your face is not dry. But for my hair, back on topic, is pretty much just olive oil, like a castor oil, something like that. It's good. It's good. It's good for me. That's what I noticed is really, really good. It works really, really good for me. And then also, I have been noticing my curl pattern is changing a little bit. That's something that I'm like not really too happy about that. But when you start waves, you notice your waves aren't going to always be the same. I noticed that now I need more moisture in my hair. So certain products I can't use if the moisture is not there. I have to use something that's going to moisture my hair because my hair is drier throughout the day. And I have to wear my do-rag more often, man. I don't know if I'm at the age or stage or whatever like that, but for my waves to be laying down, for it to be like shiny like they used to be, I have to wear this more often. So I need to pick up some more of these just so I have some on standby. Like I would say probably, I want 15 in total, just want some laying around. I want a purple one. I want like I lost some fell out the car, everything like that. So I will be picking up some more of those. But that has definitely been helping me out. My progress is the do-rag and the sporting waves together combined is really good. But that's pretty much it. That's pretty much everything I've been doing lately. That's something I definitely recommend to you guys to try the haircut every week. Fresh cut Fridays, that's what I call it. That's how I try to think of it. Even though I'm spending more money, I try to think of it as that. So definitely give that a shot, give that a try, and yeah, you should be good. Let me know if you do try any of these things, or if you do this regularly, like if this is not nothing new to you. Definitely let me know down below. If you have any questions, let me know down below, and then like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back with another video. Just pretty much just conversation, just talk to you guys. So make sure you like, do all that, ask me any questions, add me on Snapchat. My Snapchat is burritos or die, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching.